On today's video, we're unboxing the RAK multi-tool pen set.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OGJ. You know who you are. And if you're in the Northeast like I am, you're in the middle of a snowstorm. Yeah, well, it's wintertime in Maine, so I totally expect it. But that's not going to stop us. We have an unboxing for you today, and it is a tool. It's a multi-tool. It's something a little different from what I usually unbox, but this thing has really impressed me, and I just want to share this with you. So we're going to get with that in just a moment. First, I just want, hold on one second. Look at that. I'm having my coffee in an Old Guy Network mug. Look at, isn't that beautiful? There are all kinds of good stuff in the Old Guy Network shop, and there's a link in the description. You can head on over there. You can get one of these very fine coffee mugs. Also have tumblers, and as you can see from my friend Kyle right up here, he was here doing a video with me a few weeks ago, and he purchased a bunch of stuff from the Old Guy Network shop. Look at it. Doesn't he look good? When we did that video, there was supposed to be somebody else show up with him, but she couldn't make it because we had some bad weather that day. And that was Caitlin. We never got to meet Caitlin. But this is Caitlin, and doesn't she look good wearing her Old Guy Network leggings? Yes, I sell leggings. I will put my logo on just about anything. So head on over to the Old Guy Network shop, and there's a link in the description down below there somewhere. You should be able to find it. A lot of good stuff, and it helps support the channel, and I sure do appreciate it. So let's get started, shall we? As soon as you open up the box, and I've already opened the box, you can see right there. This is what you see. I want to set this up so it looks just like it does when you first get it. Here are the pens in this little foam container, and you'll notice there are two pens. One is a little bit larger than the other. Both pens have a really neat feature. Right there, there is a bubble level right there, which actually works. And there's one on each pen, so that's kind of handy. And this is an octagonal design, so it lays flush. And I like that. Plus, it has a 4-inch ruler that also has centimeters and millimeters. So for those of you that have caught up with the rest of the world and you're using the metric system, that's nice to have. But we also have here 4 inches. I like that. On this side of the smaller pen, this looks like a pencil eraser. Well, it's not. What it is a stylus, which you can use along with your phone. If you're designing something and you don't want to use your finger and your hand gets in the way, you can use the stylus. This will work with a phone, a computer with a touch screen, or a laptop with a touch screen, iPad, whatever you have. The stylus comes in really handy. And under the stylus of the small pen, we unscrew that to reveal a tiny little flathead screwdriver. Let me see, can you see that? And if you pick this up and turn it around, it is a tiny little Phillips head screwdriver. So that's pretty cool. It is a multi-tool after all. And this is made out of metal. This is, I believe it, isn't it? Well, parts of it are made out of metal. I'm not really sure what this part is made out of. It feels like aluminum. And I'm going to check and make sure before we end this video. And you just retract or set up your pen just by turning it. Just turn the tip. An extra cartridge comes with both pens, so you get 2 extra cartridges, and both pens are already loaded up with another cartridge. Let me show you the other side here, the other pen rather. As you can see, we've got the ruler, we got the level, and on this end, instead of having the stylus, this is really cool. It's a really nice light. and it's pretty darn powerful. It's just a one LED light. But I've already used this once to try to find one of Baxter's toys that he left behind the couch. And this thing, look, I mean, it's bright in here, and you can see how this shines on the wall back here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's really, really handy. And you just push it down. This one has another feature on it that sold me on the whole pen idea. Here, I'll show you that. But just same as the other pen. But this right here, it's got a bottle opener on it. And who doesn't want to open up a bottle of soda or something while they're working in the shop? That's really, really cool. And it works well. I'd like to demonstrate it for you, but I don't have any bottles around here right now. But it does work. And it is, this is just a beautiful pen set. And it looks nice. I mean, even sitting in the phone thing here, you can tell these are not cheaply made. They're pretty damn rugged. I'm going to put these right here. Can you see? I'm wearing overalls today. So on my overalls, yeah, let's get down here a little bit. All right, on my overalls, if I back up, you can see there are little pockets right here for pens. And from now on, when I'm wearing these, that's where they're going to be, because this is really cool. I like these. I thank my nephew Mark for giving me these for Christmas. This was a very, very thoughtful gift. This is nothing I would have thought of for myself. I wouldn't have. But this is really cool. It's the RAK or RAK, I don't know how you pronounce it, multi-tool pen set. And the thing about this company is they make a bunch of different multi-tools. They have one that is so interesting looking to me. I probably am going to order one, and it has a collapsible hammer. I mean, look at the picture. I want to see if this thing's worth buying, because a collapsible hammer, how cool is that? Now, normally, this was a Christmas present. Normally, I don't look up the price for Christmas presents, but you can get these on Amazon. You can other sites on the interwebs, and they're right around $16. Sorry, Mark, I don't like to look up the price for a Christmas present, but you know, it's an unboxing. So yeah, you can get these for around $16 plus shipping, and I think it's well worth it. I mean, I'm always looking for all these separate things, a small tape measure or a level or a bottle opener. I mean, come on, it's worth the price right there for the bottle opener for me. So that's it. That is our unboxing today. Very short and sweet. I hope you got something out of this, and I'll leave a link in the description of the RAK site, and maybe you can order them direct through there, and you can take a look at the other products that they have. And yes, this is metal. It's aluminum. So that's pretty darn cool. I'm going to put that right there, and that's going to do it for this unboxing on this very, very wintry, snowy, really terrible, awful bad day. What can I say? Spring's coming. What do we got? About 40 days left, something like that? I don't know. Somewhere around there. So I'm looking forward to that as well. We'll get back out into the shop as soon as the weather gets a little bit warmer, and we'll have a lot more projects coming up. I've got a lot of ideas, and we'll also have a few more unboxings. I've got some really nice unboxings coming up in the next couple of weeks, so we'll look forward to that. So that's going to do it for here in the trailer hood for the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, I'm the OG, and I'm out.